Well, hey there, it's Dr. Sandy with a remedy for sneeze. Okay, so this may not be a remedy, and I'm guessing that those who have sneeze as a disease in their card making are probably not watching YouTube to get ideas, but I'm going to throw this out there anyway. I cased this first card from somebody who sent one in. I put my snowflakes just about where she put them, and the sentiment is right where she put them, and that card just doesn't feel like there's very much love in it. So we want to add a little bit to it in order to make it feel like we've put our heart and soul into a card like this. So this first card uses a really simple colorway, just red and white. That's it, nice and Christmassy, and yet it says winter wishes, so it can be used at any time during the winter season. Gives it a lot more shelf life. The snowflakes on this one are contained to one side, although since they're white embossed on white paper, you could actually put them all over the card, and even if they're not stamped evenly, they would still look really, really nice and really, really elegant on a card like this. The second card, I was trying something and I actually didn't do very well at it, so I recovered it by adding a lot more snowflakes. My snowflakes at the top weren't stamped all that great at first, so I filled in the spots with other snowflakes, and then I created a band across the middle. With these snowflakes that are across the center, I actually stamped them so many times in order to get ones I could punch out that were perfect, because I wanted the ones in the center to look really awesome and perfect, and then added some bling to the area at the top with all those snowflakes. This third card uses not only a really unique color combination, it also shrinks the area in which you have to cover with the stamps. So there are some people that are just stymied by a really large surface on a card and they feel like they have to stamp all over it. If you can reduce the size of the panel you're stamping on and put a layer around it, it's going to make it all feel a little less intimidating. There's less of that giant white space if you're afraid of it. But it also adds layers to the card, and we know how much layers really add to not only the dimension of a card, but the professionalism and the weight of it, so that it doesn't feel like it's just a cheap little card thrown together. Leave me a comment in the doobly-doo down below and let me know which one is your favorite of these 3 solutions to sneeze. And you can also subscribe and like and favorite and share and all that good stuff while you're down there. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye now.